These herbs will be perfect for my remedies. The forest is so beautiful today. This smells wonderful. Almost ready to pour. Hello there, little butterfly. Your wings are so beautiful. There, little one, you'll be okay. Shh, I've got you. Hello, clouds. I hope you can hear me. It's so peaceful here.
What a peaceful sunset. I wish this moment could last forever.
Hold on, little ones! I've got you covered. Smells wonderful. Almost ready now. I pray for our safety tonight and for peace in the storm. May we find comfort and warmth here.